How to appeal a ban and get your account back on Instagram. Here's how. Initially open Google Chrome or any browser on your phone. In the search bar, type recover my Instagram account and search for it. You'll find the link titled disabled Instagram account and tap the link to open the official Instagram recovery page. On the disabled Instagram account page, read through the Instagram guidelines about the account recovery and click on the visit this option to open the appeal form. On the Instagram appeal form, select my account was disabled and select next to move forward. Furthermore, Instagram will ask you to enter your username, phone number or email address to identify your account. Again, tap next to proceed to the next step. You'll select your email address so the Instagram can send you recovery mail. Once again, tap on the next button. Now open your email. You'll tap and hold onto the code. Then tap on the copy button. Now again go back and paste the code. After entering the code, tap confirm. Moreover, enter your new password. Then again re-enter your new password. Lastly, hit submit. Finally, you can go back and log into your account using the new password. So this is how to appeal a ban and get your account back on Instagram.